Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is June 30th, so we've got this much-anticipated report today. Guys are going to be watching that very, very closely. 11 o'clock, these numbers are going to be released for the grains, so let's go through them. Quarterly stock numbers, we'll start there. The big surprise that we may see is in the beans. So it's going to be a number that guys are going to be watching very closely. Where are we at? How much beans do we have left over for the rest of the marketing year? And the average guess right now, 378 million, is where the average trade guess is at. So that's going to be kind of our benchmark. If we go below that, guys are going to look at friendly, or above that even, it'll be looked at as negative. Right now, beans are just about steady. Corn is down about 4.5 cents, and wheat down just a couple cents as well. But all this trade, this pre-report trade, is going to be tossed out the window after 11 o'clock. So quarterly stock numbers, watch the beans. That may end up being a surprise there. For corn, we're looking at $3.72 billion, and then for wheat at $598. Acreage. You hear a lot of chatter. I've already taken some phone calls this morning about guys talking about seed companies releasing their estimates or being lower as far as seed sales for the year. Be careful there, because we do have, if we remember on that March report, there was about 3 to 4 million acres that were not accounted for that we were expecting from preventative plant last year, and even quite a few acres there that just were not on that report. So how are they going to go ahead with this? Corn, 91.725 is the average for corn acres. For beans at 82.154, and then wheat at 55.818. So we'll see what kind of numbers we get there. But like I said, keep in mind, a lot of guys are talking about this corn acre, and are we going to see quite a bit less? Chances are we feel that we probably won't, but keep that in mind. The average trade guess for corn, 91.725 million acres. So we'll see. Everything's going to be based around this report today, and looking at other markets. Look at the hogs. We had a hog and pigs report out on Friday. Very strong numbers. These back months, October and December, we're talking potentially $1 to $2 higher. All hogs as of June 1 came out at 95%, so below the range that they had expected. Kept for breeding at 100%, so we're not seeing any expansion. And then kept for marketing at 95%, which was below the expectations as well. So it was a friendly report for the hogs, and probably going to see them stronger here today. Looking at cattle. Cattle finished the week very strong. What's cash going to do this week? But I think a lot of eyes are going to be focused after 12 o'clock to see what these show lists are going to look like. Right now, early estimates is that we might see an increase in show lists this week, but watch for that as well as that comes out, typically after 12 o'clock. So give us a call if you guys have any questions. Also, stay tuned with us after this report comes out. Rich Nelson will be doing a recap of that report, so stay tuned for that later on today. That'll be right there on the website, allendale-inc.com. And give us a call if you have questions at 800-262-7538. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.